This tutorial on balancing chemical equations. Today, we'll be balancing equation for the decomposition of lead nitrate. Let's start by writing out our unbalanced equation. We have lead nitrate decomposing into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. Now, let's count the number of atoms for each element on both sides of the equation. On the left side, we have 1 lead atom, 2 nitrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. On the right side, we have 1 lead atom, 1 nitrogen atom, and 5 oxygen atoms. To balance the equation, we need to adjust the coefficients. Let's start by balancing the nitrogen atoms. We can do this by placing a coefficient of 2 in front of NO2. This will also help balance the oxygen atoms. Now let's recount the atoms to verify if all elements are balanced. On the left side, we still have 1 lead atom, 2 nitrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. On the right side, we now have 1 lead atom, 2 nitrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. Great! Our equation is now balanced. The final balanced equation for the decomposition of lead nitrate is lead nitrate yields lead oxide plus 2 nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen.